Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Remove the battery and service door. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless LAN module with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN module to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the wireless LAN module in a static dissipative bag. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the wireless LAN module with a key in the wireless LAN module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the wireless LAN module into its slot on the system board. Press the wireless LAN module down and replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw to secure the wireless LAN module to the system board. Reconnect the wireless antenna cables to the wireless LAN module. Important: connect antenna labeled 1 to terminal 1 and antenna labeled 2 to terminal 2. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless antenna cables to the wireless LAN module. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance.